Hello RC Madheads, how are you doing?
This is my brand new PD Racing Trio 4S, and what you really should do when you get a new truck is a couple of things that I didn't do.
Yeah, maybe you shouldn't do this.
Anyway, it got very dusty and so on, and I've got all the pebbles and grit out of it. But what is good practice with these, when you get a new truck, is to give it a squirt and a spray with some GT85, and that's just to lubricate all the bits and pieces, all the moving parts. It lubricates and gets rid of any moisture and stuff like that, any water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a blow off with a little vacuum cleaner and then squirt some of this in it. If you've got one of these little handheld power vacuums, they usually come with the option to put nozzles on the outlet so you can use it as a blower. Quite good. Next step, lube. You don't have to go mad with this stuff. You're only aiming to just keep it a little bit protected, give everything a little bit of movement and free play. Battery in. The next thing I find to do is good with a new truck is to take it to some flat ground and check the steering trim. So there's a nice little bit of flat ground. I'm just going to run it forward slowly because I want to see if it veers off, bearing to the right a little bit, and then it's just easier to adjust the steering trim. See how it's bared off? So bring it back. Right, we'll just line it up and then run it off. There we go. Brilliant, done. That's just a couple of top tips to do when you get a new truck. Hope you found that useful.